For section 8.3, we are going to learn the mathematical way to represent the integration using symbols. The symbol that we usually use to represent integration is the elongated S, where we use the integral sign, this form, to find y when dy by dx is given. The description of this objective is in page 137, where it says you need to be able to use the integral sign. The integral of x to the power n is denoted by the elongated s multiplied by x power n multiplied by dx. The elongated s means integrate. Then if we write s as follow, then the elongated s is a little bit elongated and extended, where inside it we write the function that is x to the power n, this is the expression to be integrated, multiplied by dx, where this dx tells you which letter is the variable to integrate with respect to. See example 4. We are going to look then into example 4. Then dx, it tells us what variable we are going to integrate, because sometimes we are going to have expressions in terms of y and x and z, but d of x is going to tell us that x is the term that is going to be integrated. Then this form is going to be equal to the formula that we met in section 8.1. In section 8.1, we found already the integration of dy by dx, that is x power n, where this formula is represented as y. If we go back to section 8.1, we find, using two rules, we found dy by dx, which is this formula, y equal 1 over n plus 1 x power n plus 1 plus constant c. Similarly, when dy by dx equal k multiplied by x power n. So using these two formulas, we are going to be able to solve our examples. Now, for better understanding, let's go and try to solve some exercises. Page 137, we have example 4. Let's find part A and part B, where we are asked to find the integration. This symbol means let's integrate x to the power half plus 2x to the power 4, all multiplied by dx. dx tells us that we are going to integrate with respect to x. Using the formulas in section 8.1, then let's start with part A. We have x to the power half plus 2x to the power 3, two terms. Let's integrate each term separately as we learned previously. So, starting with the first term, that is x to the power half. By comparison, x to the power half, we can say n equal half, then n plus 1 equal 3 over 2. Therefore, the integration of x to the power 1 over 2 is x to the power n plus 1, that is 3 over 2, divided by n plus 1, that is 3 over 2. This is equivalent or the same as 2 over 3 x to the power 3 over 2. Let's go now to the second term, 2x to the power 3. Therefore, by comparison, k is equal to 2 and n equal to 3. Therefore, n plus 1 equal to 3 plus 1 equal 4. Let's substitute using the formula. So the integration of 2x power 3 is 2 multiplied by x to the power 4 divided by 4. After simplification, this is equal to 1 over 2x to the power 4. Therefore, now we can substitute. The integration of this expression with respect to dx is equal to 3 over or 2 over 3 multiplied by x to the power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by x to the power 4 plus the constant c. It's important always to write the constant c. Thus, this elongated s told us to find the integration of the expression. Let's go now to part B. Using the elongated symbol s, we are asked to find the integration of x to the power minus 3 over 2 plus 2 with respect to dx. Let's find the integration of the first term, that is x to the power minus 3 over 2. Then n is equal minus 3 over 2. N plus 1 equal to minus 3 over 2 plus 1 equal minus 1 over 2. Let's substitute and find the integration. Then x to the power n plus 1 is minus half, all divided by n plus 1, that is minus half. Then, by simplification, this is equal to minus 2x to the power minus half. Now, going back to the second term, 2. 2 is a constant. As we already studied previously, the integration of any constant is the same as the constant multiplied by the variable. The variable here is x. Then, the integration of 2 is 2x. Let's now substitute in the formula. The answer is minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus half plus 2x plus the constant c. It's always important to mention the constant c.